আসসালামু আলাইকুম। দ্য ব্লকবোর্ডের পক্ষ থেকে জানাচ্ছি আপনাদেরকে আন্তরিক শুভেচ্ছা। আজকে আমরা আলোচনা করব ইংলিশ লিটারেচারের একটি গুরুত্বপূর্ণ শর্ট নোটস লিরিক্যাল ব্যালেড নিয়ে। তো চলুন শুরু করি। লিরিক্যাল ব্যালেড is a volume of poems published in 1798. This volume of poems consists of 23 poems. Wordsworth wrote 19 poems and Coleridge composed 4 poems according to their new concept of poetry. The French Revolution took place in 1789. The revolution has deep impression on Wordsworth. Before the French Revolution, English poetry had dealt with the upper class society. The French Revolution inspired Wordsworth to feel that the common people should be the subject of poetry. The common people desire to be free from all types of restriction. Like Wordsworth, Coleridge also supported the interest of common people. They decided to select the common people as the subject of their poetry. So, these 23 poems in which common people were selected as the subject. Thank you.